Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggy Peg. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm actually gonna show you an alternative to a regular wrapping, like I don't know how you call that, but when you wrap your hair to go to sleep. So I already did a video on why I don't personally do wrappings anymore, but recently I found a new technique. Well, not a new technique, but a new technique for me. So since it's new for me, I thought that maybe some of y'all didn't know it, so I'm gonna show you what it is like right now. So it's the same like concept. You wrap your hair, but you don't all do it in one direction. You do it like, let me show you. Okay, so for example, now I have my hair separated in the middle, but you can also do it with a side part, it doesn't matter. So I'm just gonna detangle my hair quickly. So I'm gonna separate that in two. So I'm gonna take this first section, I'm gonna bring it like really sleek it down, and I'm gonna bring it to the other side like that, and I'm gonna secure with bobby pins. So please, when you use bobby pins on your hair, make sure that they are not damaged, like there is no parts like lifting up, things like that. This is only gonna break your hair. So this is my hair that is wrapped on one on the opposite like side, and I'm gonna do the same thing with the other half. And I'm also gonna secure with new bobby pins, not damaged bobby pins. So just like that, you have your hair wrapped. So I really like this technique better than the usual wrapping hair technique that everything is put in one direction, because as I said in my video, there is like always one part lifting up, but that way when you remove your bobby pins, it's all gonna go like straight. So this is really good if you want it to keep your hair straight, like if you're natural and you just gotta blow out. So after that, your hair is all gonna be straight and no parts like lifting up from the direction that it's taken. So yeah, I really prefer this one. So recently I've been switching from this technique and the top knot that I usually do. So I like the top knot because it gives me a wavy effect when I remove it in the morning, but this technique like gives me sleek hair that I like also. So yeah, this is why I'm switching with the two. So it's also super comfortable, like you can sleep on every side that you want. So then after that, what I would do is just cover with a satin scarf like that, or a satin cap like that has satin inside. So just gonna put it on top like that, or tie it like all around. So yeah, I really like this technique. Let me know if you already know about this one, so if I'm super late to the hair wrap technique. So yeah, let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, and yeah, that's it. Bye guys.